All right, got this little pond dug, and we got a little trench around the pond. And I'm going to spread out this VEVOR LLDPE pond liner and make just a teeny tiny little pond. I'm sure my helper is going to help me a lot with that. It feels pretty thick, thicker than I thought it was going to be. It's not like thin black plastic. It's like, I don't know, thicker black plastic. Okay, so the initial rolled up part, when you unroll that, that's 20 feet. And then when you unroll the second time, that's the 25 foot. So probably good information to know. Okay. Not to toot my own horn here, but I just kind of eyeballed where I dug that initial trench. And I got it about exactly right. So we're going to backfill all these, the trench with dirt. And then it's up to God to give us some rain to fill this thing. So that's all I can do. Yeah, the stuff is plenty flexible, which is nice. But it is very thick. So I was just going to use just black plastic in here. Then I found out that black plastic isn't good under light and UV breaks it down. And this stuff's supposed to be super resistant. So it was light enough to deal with, but yeah, feels really thick and heavy. And didn't notice any holes in it when I was rolling it out. So here we go. All right, looking good so far.